As an expert in self-care, how do I actually view self-care? And I guess I view it as becoming fit, or the process of being fit for life. Meaning that we want to find endurance for the body in life. We want to find the strength of the mind in life. We want to find the power of emotions and their timing in life. These things coming together allow you to become fit to take on life. If you think about it, there's no possible way that we can become healthy if we're not at our potential. Right? Lack of a potential creates stillness, stiffness, and stuckness, essentially. And none of these in a good form. So we want to always understand that self-care is the process of finding the life you want to live, first emotionally, then solving for it mentally, then creating it. A human must create.